what I wish I knew at breakfast instead of dinner, the secrets of avocado and Apeel. Dive into their world with me. All right, folks, hold on to your seats. Today, we're diving into a quirky battle between two giants in the world of fresh foods. First up, the avocado. Beloved for its creamy texture and a powerhouse of vitamins. Did you know that avocados are packed with more potassium than bananas? That's right, a true hidden gem for your heart health. But wait, here comes Apeel. It's not a fruit, but it's revolutionizing how we keep them fresh. Apeel is a plant-derived solution that coats fruits and veggies, keeping them fresh twice as long. The only caveat is the long-term health issues around Apeel, since it is too early to assess. Imagine not having to throw out your avocados because they've gone bad too quickly. So who wins? Is it avocado with its nutrient-packed punch? Or Apeel, making sure your greens stay greener longer? Here's the twist. Why not both? On balance, they look equally matched, however, until the potential long-term health issues of Apeel are addressed. I personally feel the avocado is always my first choice. That's it for today's Fresh Face-Off. If you enjoyed this quirky battle, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cool, health-packed content like this. Stay fresh, stay healthy, and see you in the next Showdown.